Everybody, please give another hand of applause, please. Wow, we have here right now. The very beautiful and our debutante this afternoon. We have here and welcome to your legality. I know you are 18 and your parents and your relatives are very happy to see you here. That you are very much beautiful this afternoon, right? So at this point, we would like to present a bundle of flowers or a bouquet to be given to us by the mother of our debutant. Please give a hand of applause, please. We have Ma'am Marjorie Lim Pangan. Okay, so everybody, please do remain standing and let us acknowledge first the presence of our Almighty Father. And I would like to call in, we have our opening prayer to be led by our Pastor Nabi.